What if you could see your character in Pixar animation, watercolor, even coloring book format in under 5 minutes? Today I'm testing 12 illustration styles perfect for picture books, classroom stories, and educational content. You'll see which styles work for different age groups and exactly how to do this yourself. Let's dive in.
Let's create a character together. I'm using consistentcharacter.ai to create my characters in different styles. I will be using the feature called Character Turbo. First of all, I will describe my character. I will include information about her origin, about specific features like brown eyes, brown curly hair in 2 neat braids, and her outfit. In the next field, I will describe the action and expression. To get better results, I suggest generating the first image in full standing body pose. So let's prompt this. And we can provide background. It's completely optional, but I will prompt park with wildflowers. Now, I can choose the aspect ratio, different kind of size of my images. We are going to choose different kind of styles. I will start with the first one called Pixar-inspired. I'm choosing the style and generating. Each image takes 4 credits to generate, and it will appear here. Let's just wait. And our image is ready. She looks super cute. Now, I can continue creating new actions for this character. I can just scroll down and choose Use Action Editor to create the next scenes. I can also choose one of the editors represented over here in the menu bar. For example, I can edit expression, edit action, edit her outfit, change the background. I can use magic erase to erase something unnecessary. It can be accessorized, for example, or something in the background. I can reframe, which is connected with aspect ratio, so I can change the size of an image. Or I can use brush erase to highlight specifically what I want to erase from the image, for example, the strawberry. But as I want to showcase different kind of styles that our application has, I will just generate the next image of my character using another style. And this time, let's try animate. I'm choosing the style and generating the next image. The next image is ready. It will appear in the same chat. I can just scroll down to see the previous one and the new one. The new style looks completely different, but it also sticks to our original prompt and to description of our character. Let's try the next one. This time I will choose modern Western cartoon. Looks super cute. Let's generate the next one. It will be retro comic. Okay. She looks so funny. And the next style is chibi style. This is lovely. Would look super cool if I'm working on a project where I need to create some stickers. And now the next style is action comic. And let's try the next style, minimalistic vector style illustration. I love this one. Watercolor illustration. Looks like a piece of art. Now I will scroll down and I will find extra 3 styles to choose from. And the first will be 2D flat illustration. Now we will test 3D cartoon style. This one would look amazing in animation project. And the next one is claymation style. Cool. And the last but not least, we have a coloring book, and I'm using it as a last one because in order to get black and white image generation, it is best not to confuse AI and to erase from our initial prompt describing the character any mentions of the colors that we might have used previously. So for example, by reading my prompt, if I discover a color like brown, I would rather erase this. Same for the hair and simple pink dress and red strawberry patterns, red shoes. I'll erase all the colors for the best results and generate the coloring book illustration style. Wonderful. Now I can scroll down and decide which one I like the most, which one is the best fit for my project, and use that image to generate new scenes to tell the story with my character. Let's give it a try. I will go here and choose the edit action. And I can choose from quick example prompts that are over here. Let's try running forward, arms pumping, legs stretched. I will scroll down and just generate. Now our image is probably ready. I just have to scroll up because the latest generations will be showcased at the start of our chat on the top. And I see my character running. We can try something else. Let's try dancing pose. I just provided my prompt over here, scrolling down and generating. Cool.